Hey, welcome back everybody to the YouTube video, and today we're going to be talking about the stock market. If you guys didn't know, you guys should have bought yesterday. Um, Everything was down, and I think that was a good price point to buy the stocks at. So let's get right into it. So today is Friday morning, and the first stock I'm going to be talking about is Google. It's not a whole lot, but I did buy this at 156 yesterday. It was just too low, and I had to pick it up. So I bought some Google. There is a chance that this could go even down lower. I'm thinking about selling maybe this morning because I just don't want to hold on to it. Also, we're in September now, and I did mention in my previous videos that in September there's going to be a huge reset. When I mean a huge reset, I mean a huge reset on the market, like a 20% reduction in all of the prices. Because right now we're in a huge AI bubble right now. Everyone's talking about AI bubble, AI this, AI that. So just to inflate these stock prices, and I think they're all going to be coming down within the next couple of weeks. If you want to buy back these stocks, I would say maybe early October, because that's when the market will probably start to ramp up back again. But right now, I would try to lay off. I would try to be cautious, right? Try to keep some cash on hand. I would say like liquidate some of your portfolio at this time. Maybe keep half of it. Half of it in the stock market, half of it liquidate. So when it does drop more, you can go in and attack. All right, so the first stock is Google. We talked about 156. What can I see this going up to? Probably 200. You know why? Because they're trying to get into the autonomous industry. That's their main focus. They got Waymo cars, subsidiary of Google. They also own Wing.com, which is delivery drones, and that's going to be a huge hit. They just started it this year. I think that's going to pop off big once the federal laws are going to allow more delivery services to happen. And if Apple approves these apps going on the App Store, then it's going to be big. So yeah, Google's one of the first on the list. Another one that I dropped 100 grand on is RKT. RKT, I bought this at the end of the day yesterday at the $19 range. I bought this up here at 1979, 1978. And right now, it went down 1971. I was getting a little worried, but I'm thankful for this pullback back up right here in the $20 range. RKT, I've been following this stock since it was like a $9 stock. I do believe that there's a huge upside if there's a recession. I think we're currently in a recession. They're beating earnings every quarter. This is kind of like a Chubb kind of company, insurance company. So I do think there is potential. I'm just trying to make a small gain out of this. I'm not trying to go in for the long haul. So if I hit like 21, 22, I'm just automatically going to sell, take the percentages that I can. Another stock that I did talk about is Rivian. I've already traded this twice, and I made 5% gains on both days. So I made quite a lot of money on this. So I bought when it was 13, then it shot up to like 1360, 1370, sold it for 5%, then went back down, bought it back again. Rivian's probably going to hit 14 soon. I was just swing trading this just to make, I saw the opportunity and I'm just going to swing trade Rivian. Would I swing trade it now? If I do cash out of RKT in time, and this is still below 14, I'll probably take half of that and just dump it in here, and then just keep playing with this. But Rivian, I've already liquidated. Should I buy some more? Yes, do I do think it's going to go back up? Yeah, I do think it probably go hit the $15, $16 range. I'm just trying to see, since we're in September, what's the best price point. But in case, I'm just going to try to swing trade it. So that's what I'm looking at. Rivian. Lyft. I'm still holding this 950. I do have some stop limits on like 1050, even 11. So if that does hit, I'm already going to cash out and make a good percentage. So that's Lyft. What other stock do I want to talk about? You talked about Google, Rivian, Lyft, maybe NVDA. 108. Yeah, it's down. Probably going to go down more. If you're going to take out Intel is a 50-50 risk, right? Because there is a chance they can go bankrupt, and there is a chance that they can recover, and America's not going to allow them to go down. Because if they do go down, the only companies that are left are AMD and Nvidia, and then it's basically a monopoly at that point. So I don't think America's going to let Intel go down. There's a chance that they get bought out. If they do get bought out, then stock price is going to go up. 1960, yeah, I'd buy this at 1960. Do I think it could drop more? Yeah, I do think it could drop more. I think there's a risk on Intel. What other stock would I want to talk about? Cava's too high. I'm not buying Cava until I see it in the hundreds, low hundreds or 90s. There's Shake Shack. There's Serve Robotics. I would not buy Serve Robotics. I will let you know when I'm gonna buy Serve Robotics. I will buy back up again. Not at this price point. It's just too high. It's still too high. If you look at CNBC, sometimes I just be looking at some names. Are there any names that stick out to me? Amazon, yeah, I'd buy what's Amazon at? I know some news on Amazon. I want to buy this 178. Speaking of Amazon, one that I did drop a lot of money on is UPS. That's because I do know something that a lot of people don't. Just saying. I do think UPS is going to grow gradually. So I do have a big chunk of change in this as well. It's UPS. Which other one am I looking at? Brock almost says it was so 12 billion. Because some chips. Acquire own. Okay. So this is new Salesforce. I would not add it on the list, but let's just see what it is. Since they're doing a big acquisition of this, 246. No, I wouldn't do it. No, it's too high. I still wouldn't do it. I think it's still gonna drop. But yeah, for the most part, this is what it's looking like. I would just trade those stocks like Lyft. Tesla's up 230 because if the robo taxi comes out with LiDAR, which is like this new technology which shoots laser beams and you can measure the distance between it, and it's like really, really accurate but really, really expensive. Elon Musk like shit on that idea, and I do believe he's gonna be a hypocrite in this case because he's probably gonna use it for his robo taxis. That's the case with his influential power. I think Tesla's gonna skyrocket, maybe 300s, but get ready for that day. I don't know when it's gonna be. Probably October, but we'll see. And get ready for that day. And that's it for the stock plays, guys. If you guys have anything else, just let me know. I'll be sure to hit you up with whatever I can give. And that's it. Have a good one, guys.